In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the phone number on GoHighLevel. So the first thing you need to do is you can either head over to their website, which is GoHighLevel.com. From in there, you can log into their application if you already have an account, or if not, you can sign up and just choose in here a 14-day free trial in order to actually see what they can offer you. In my case, I'll just head over and log in, click on this login to this app, and then you will be asked for your credentials. Now, here is my actual dashboard on GoHighLevel. So in order to get the phone number, what you can do is you can head over right here to your settings. We have in here this left sidebar. You can scroll down from there and you can see right here the settings option. Once you have clicked on that, this will direct you in here to this new page that we can see from there. As you can see on the settings, they have a lot of options from there as well. So you can scroll down from there and you can see in here phone numbers. So click on phone numbers under the settings. And then just wait for this for a little while to load and you can see in here this. So as you can see, it requires configuration first. So click onto this phone system settings and then just wait for this to actually load and it will go up right here to the next page from there. So into this part, you can actually switch or input right here, move numbers, create in here some numbers that you would want. Make sure to enable the number intelligence, or you can also switch to all sub-accounts to LC phones. So for this case, you can just move numbers in and out. You can click onto this one right here, or you can also choose in here account creation. You can allow sub-accounts. And under this agency settings, you can learn more about their LC phone and then sign up or get a phone number from there as well. You can add a phone number, you can select a toll-free or local, apply that, and proceed to buy the phone number that you want to use. So that's how you get the phone number on GoHighLevel. Hope we helped.